Hi guys, it's JP from TravelFeed, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own blog on your own domain with our new hosting feature. So first, I'm here on TravelFeed.io. I'm going to my dashboard, and there's a new hosting tab here. I'm clicking on the hosting tab, and if you haven't started your hosting trial yet, you can. There's a waitlist for everyone, but if you subscribe to the TravelFeed newsletter, you can get access right now, and that's what I just did. And I'm going to add a blog here. And I'm going to have a blog about my travels in Asia. So I'm going to call my blog JP in Asia, and it's going to be on the domain jpinasia.travel.blog. But I could also choose my own domain. For example, if I own the .com domain jpinasia.com, I could also use that later. Blog title JP in Asia, and blog slogan all about my travels in Asia. And I already got a logo for it, so I'm going to upload that. And a small logo which will be used as the favicon in the browser. I also have that, the square logo. Okay. And then for the color scheme, I can pick any color by entering the hex code here, but I'm just choosing a suggested color. And I think the red here will go nice with my logo. So in the next step, these are the advanced options. They're all optional. I'm not going to add the posts automatically, since I'll have a blog only for my Asian posts, and I don't want to have my posts from Europe, for example, that I create new added automatically, but in other cases it would make sense. And I'm also going to skip these options for now. And now I'm going to select the posts that I want to have here. So by this, I could select all my posts, which would mean almost 37 posts on TravelFeed. But I'm going to select just my posts from Taiwan here. Next page. More posts. Myanmar. More from Taiwan. Myanmar. Bangkok. And I think that's it. Ah yeah, one more. Two more. Cool. And I'm going to press create a new blog. And that's it. Now just lean back and wait for about 2 minutes while it's setting up the blog. Okay, here we go. As you see, the progress bar just jumped to 100%. And this is the blog. And here we are. This is the blog that was automatically generated. You see it's already customized. You see the countries that I chose here and the destinations. You see all my posts. And you already see how fast it is loading. So this is my blog here that was automatically generated for me. And now I want to make some adjustments. I'm going to close this, and I'm back at my dashboard here. And I'm going to open the site builder. And this is the really cool thing. So with our blogs, you can now customize how your blog looks like without any kinds of coding skills. So I'm just starting with my homepage here, just clicking on the settings icon or just somewhere here to expand it. And now you see there's different kinds of widgets. I can add a new widget, for example, a highlight section, and you see it appears here. And this is my highlight section. Now I can expand the options here and call this my new title. And you see it already updates the preview on the right side in real time. So what I want to do, I want to delete this. And you see I also have something down there. I want to put this one to the top now. Okay. I can drag and drop it, or I can use the arrows. Going to the settings, and I want to upload my own image, and I have instead of a profile photo, I thought this monkey photo here would be fun. So I'm uploading this one. And still, yeah, here we go. I'm going to make this a round image, looks friendlier. I'm going to call this welcome to my blog. Check out my posts below. And that's my highlight section. And in my post list, I want to, it's going to the Simple New York theme. And I just want to see what the other themes are. This is Minimal Singapore. I don't like this one so much. So let's try Elegant London. This looks great. Okay. Next up, let's customize the post a bit. So I actually like having a sidebar because I want to have maybe some ads in the sidebar, some banners. And the latest posts. So I'm just going to delete this one, what we already have. And I'm going to add a new widget, which is the main area with sidebar. And you see, this is the main area. This is the sidebar. Going to the settings again. And first I'm going to do the sidebar here. I'm going to add my latest posts, my social media links. It just takes them from my TravelFeed profile, which is really convenient, and a banner. Cool. So this is right now just pointing to TravelFeed. I could of course upload my own banner. For example, if I have like an online shop, I could like create a banner for that, link to the external online shop. And yeah, cool. So I want to have this text here on top. And of course I want to replace the example text with like, yeah, my blog about Asia. Here you find everything about my travels. I could also upload an image here. I'm not going to do that now because I want to show you the main section. Going to remove the highlight here. Going to re-add my post content. You see it's here, beside the sidebar. And yeah, I think the author description would be cool. Just takes it from my TravelFeed profile again. And I also want to display my comments, which weren't there before. So I want to have a form to create comments. I want to have my comments here. And also the read more section. I think I'll have that below later. Cool. So let's put the post content on top. And let's see how this looks. This is nice. My comments, form to write a comment. Yeah, maybe I want to have the author description a bit higher up. Cool. I like this. Yeah. And you see there's like additional options. For example, this is the sticky sidebar. So it just stays here on the right side when I scroll. And if I have it unsticky, it just is just on top of there. So just like, no matter your preference, you can just choose what you like here. You also see this one is kind of cool. It shows you like a reading indicator, like how you fire on the page. If you don't want that, you can just toggle it off. It's all customizable. Cool. And then for my tag page, I have like some options. For my destination page, I can all customize it how I like. Let's say I want to have no sidebar on my destinations, so instead just a regular post list. Cool. My header, I can of course customize my destinations here. Let's see, I add like new posts, and or like let's say I want to have like a sub destination here, setting the link type, which is internal, and I want to have a destination, and I just want to have like an extra one for Yangon, the capital of Myanmar. And you see now it's here in my destinations menu. There's a link to Yangon here. And I can click it and it should work. Nice. And of course I can also move the about link. Same with the footer. I can add like some columns here. For example, let's call this column my best posts. And just going to add 2 posts. This one goes to a post. Yeah, just leaving it in that one. Pullbacks Taiwan. And my second post is going to be Myanmar market. And the links should work. Yeah, nice. Cool. And I could add like a second column next to that with like more links. For example, go to the terms of service, the privacy policy, the disclaimer, legal stuff that you might want to add. I could, for example, put my destinations links not up here, but in the footer instead. It's all customizable how you want your blog to look like. So I'm going to delete this one again. And this are the pages. So this just created like an example about page. This is another example page with a long text. So you see, you can like put your custom HTML here, just write it there. For example, this would be for the disclaimer or something. And now I'm done editing. Yeah, so again, it took about 2 minutes to complete the build. And you see it's done here. This is the blog with all the customization we just made. And I actually went ahead and created a few other blogs as well, just so you can see the variety of different blogs that you can create with our widget system. So you see this one looks like totally different on the front page. This monkey blog here, it has a sidebar, has the blocks like this. You can also load more, of course. And this is like a travel turtle blog, again with like a different layout. Also, if you're going to the post, you see this one has a sidebar. This one has this design, so you can really customize your blog depending how you like it. yeah, and if you want to give it a try yourself, just head to your TravelFeed dashboard now and go to the hosting tab and follow the instructions.